You have the design, you have the idea, but don't know how to turn it into a real product? Let JLC CNC help bring your mechanical designs to life with precise, fast, and reliable CNC machining services. This video is sponsored by JLC CNC, your trusted partner in CNC machining. Whether you're a maker, engineer, DIY enthusiast, or running a manufacturing business, JLC CNC provides custom-made mechanical parts with fast turnaround, competitive pricing, and reliable quality. You can order from just one piece to thousands with no hidden setup fees. Even better, you get instant online quotes through a simple form, making it quick and easy to start. JLC CNC operates in-house CNC turning, milling, and wire EDM machines, which means they can handle everything from basic parts to high-precision components. They work with materials like aluminum, stainless steel, brass, and more, always using top-grade materials and strict quality inspection at every step, including packaging. They deliver fast, as quick as 3 business days, to help you hit your deadlines. And here's the best part. Claim a $70 coupon and start making CNC parts from just $1. Got a drawing? Just upload it to jlccnc.com for a fast and easy quote. And now, let's machine this part together, right here in my workshop, and turn that design into reality.